Hi, can you understand my English story with no subtitles? If yes, keep listening. Today, I will tell you a story about when I went to Costa Rica, but something very dangerous happened when I went. I landed in Costa Rica with no plan on how to go from the airport to La Fortuna, which was where my hotel was. And it was very far. The airport to my hostel was 4 hours by car. I found some taxi drivers who offered to take me. They thought I was Mexican, so they gave me a good, cheap price. And I said, okay, let's go. We get in the car and the driver says, come, I'll, I'll bring my friend in the car too. So it'll be two drivers and you. The person who is not driving, who is in the passenger seat, he says, oh my gosh, today is my birthday and I really want to celebrate. So let's go to the gas station before we drive to your hostel so I can get myself a present. And I said, okay. So we go to the gas station and he picks up one whole bottle of tequila, one full bottle. And he says, I want to celebrate today. He takes the bottle of tequila, opens it, and he just starts chugging. And I get a little concerned because he's also giving the tequila bottle to his friend who is driving. And I'm thinking, am I going to survive the drive? Because as he drinks more and more, he tells me, oh, you're so beautiful. I want to have a girlfriend like you and we should go and hang out. And I get so worried. And then after 4 hours of driving and me praying, I managed to get to my hostel. Okay. Did you understand my dangerous story? If yes, tell me. What was the amount of time to go from the airport to my hostel? How long did it take me?